Hey guys, told you I'm trying to make a quick clip for you. We're doing the CDV Delete today. What you need is a 13 and a 10 mil. What you're gonna see in there is this guy. I've already got it off. So here is the old one. I cut this. So these two connect together. Coil. It's just in here. It comes up to that location right there. A little bit of a tight squeeze. What's in there is this. So that sense is in there like so. So don't worry about taking this off. There is a little clip right here. And hold your flex line and your hard line. Pop that off. Take this part. There is a retaining clip. It sits right in this groove. Pop this off. And the whole assembly will come off. New one. Will sit in there like so. Oops. Like this. I got the red one. Comes out and it will meet your other line. And that's it. Put your retaining clip in. Bleed it, which is, you're in the wheel well here. Right up top here. Still a little bit of a tight spot to get into. But you can kind of see it right here. So there's a cap there. Pop that cap off and your spring. And you'll push that in when you bleed your clutch. Will hurt the fingers. You can get a pair of gloves or something, but that's about it. It's fairly straightforward. I hope it helped you guys out at all.